Today's gonna be a slightly different video. I'm still gonna paint. Normally I'm very funny and do weird, quirky things. I find myself living in the Netherlands, which is Europe, where the Ukraine happens to be located, in case you're really slow on geography. I happen to work in talent mobility, global mobility. It goes under a bunch of different synonyms. I currently have colleagues that are living and working in the Ukraine, and we are trying to mobilize and relocate them to safer countries. Yeah, what you see on television, it's real, it's happening. I couldn't figure out how to process the emotion, so I just took to the canvas. It's just a simple chaos style Dutch pour in the yellow, gold, and blue. United I stand with Ukraine. And it's challenging because I'm not Ukrainian and I don't know the laws in Ukraine. But yeah, men between the ages of 18 and 60 are not allowed to leave the country. They're required to bear arms. They're not even trained to be in the military. We've got families now being separated because the wife and children, or partner and children, sorry if I'm not politically correct, are fleeing the country. And their partner, male partner, is having to remain behind. I can't even imagine. It's one thing to watch the news. It's a whole nother thing to get an email or a Slack message or a WhatsApp asking for help and assistance. As always, my name is Tiffany Remijn. Welcome to my channel. It seems so inappropriate to even say that. I don't know what else to say. It's kind of my thing and what I normally say. But yeah, I'm just gonna turn on some music and just kind of let you listen to that as you watch me create something that represents me standing with Ukraine. Thanks for watching.